Why choose Access Assemble? Recruiting and managing volunteers isn't without its obstacles. Whether it's creating attractive adverts to encourage applicants, finding the time to coordinate your volunteers, or simply trying to gain a clear insight into the volunteer journey, there are many potential pain points to overcome. Access Assemble is a volunteer management solution that provides niche features that support your organisation to work swifter and smarter. Since implementing Access Assemble, our customers have successfully developed their organisations by saving valuable time and costs, streamlining their recruitment and onboarding processes, experienced an improved level of volunteer engagement, and are now able to make informed, data-driven decisions. We are trusted by a number of leading non-profits across multiple sectors and take great pride in providing our customers with a healthy return on investment. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our customers have to say.
Volunteers are absolutely incredibly important to us, and they're kind of the heart and soul really of the hospice in a lot of ways. Volunteers absolutely underpin everything we do. We had 637 volunteers last month who completed 2,908 activities, and in total they spent 10,318 hours volunteering, which is just a staggering amount.
The level of engagement with Assemble is really high with new volunteers. They're having a really positive first experience through the recruitment portal, and they're staying on Assemble afterwards, visiting the document hub, looking at the news features, reporting their activities. I'm now pushing on to a 50% engagement target to be reached in the next couple of months.
Retaining volunteers and looking after volunteers is much smoother. It's much easier to recruit our volunteers. Their references are done instantly,
which means we can onboard our volunteers within 2 or 3 days rather than waiting weeks and weeks.
It just saves so much time.
Assemble comes with loads of really good practice installed. The analytics section is really important to us. So understanding the diversity of our volunteers is helping us attract volunteers from all different parts of the community.
So, would Access Assemble be suitable for you? We offer starter, standard and enterprise packages, which ensure that we're able to meet organisational requirements of all sizes. Our team of experts are readily available to answer any questions you may have and put you on a suitable path. Contact us for more information, and we look forward to welcoming you as the newest member of the Access family.